What's up guys? So today we're gonna do an install video, something I don't really normally do. I kind of just do collages and throw some music at it, but today we're going to be installing a steering wheel. This is a Grip Royale, or Royal, however you want to say it. I keep saying Royale, but it's spelled Royal because we're in America. But yeah, Grip Royal steering wheel with a DND quick release, DND short hub, and I got Tim here helping me film it and take some pictures of some new stuff. I've been wearing a couple of the new designs in the videos if you go back and want to look at them, but they'll be releasing soon. They're pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna get to this. I got the battery unplugged already. We gotta get the airbag out, get the old wheel off, and then it's just about putting the new one on. That'd be the bitch right there. Why? It always ends up, I'm like, I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
And then my dad shows up and he starts doing stuff.
Nope, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna let you do it.
You just came to have a beer. Yeah, you've never had action shots like this before.
Okay, so that's out.
Should be a safety.
There it is. He's got picks in there.
Yeah, mine's gonna cost me $30 freaking.
Jeez.
Is that what I snap one set? You can buy a whole set from 5.
Airbag.
Huh?
Airbag.
From 5 to 14, or 5 to 15, I think. Buy a whole set for $150. But you need one, it's 40. Apple or two, so go ahead and have a bowl.
Someone hold the wheel for me.
I'm busy.
You know what? He has a 1/2 inch impact in there. It'll do this much easier.
It will.
What?
I was talking to Tim. Oh. I don't have to hold it. It's an
Firebird
impact,
part?
dude. Now you feel like a puss, huh? Watch him punch yourself in the face.
You didn't bring your steering wheel puller.
You didn't tell me to bring that. I did have one though.
You have a steering wheel puller?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Essential parts.
Okay. So there we go.
Hey, your car's missing a steering wheel. It's gonna be hard to drive on a track like that.
It would be, yes.
I've already drove cars around a parking lot with a pair of vice grips on it.
I was gonna say that. Like, it's possible.
It almost looks like it's set up to be like a motorcycle now.
I'm really like.
I saw a guy who put a.
I like your steering wheel. I'm seriously thinking about doing that with Firebird. Just getting it. That on there, line it up, and make sure when it's set, the steering wheel's straight.
Right there.
Yes.
Okay. That's right like that. Hey, any chance one of you guys want to grab me that thing of screws?
So unprepared.
Hey, this is why you bring people along. So when you forget stuff, you can just hang there and hold it, and they bring it over to you.
It's gonna be a great video.
Oh my god. You're pulling a Calvin.
You're the one that trusted me to do this.
I know. You're at a Calvin right now. I need you at a Schulman.
All right, now do that all again because it wasn't on video. Wow, first time perfect fit. Now you can be one of
Race
those
car.
people.
All right, so I guess that's it. Steering wheel's on. Well, actually it's off right now, but that's the cool part. Got this nice Grip Royal steering wheel. There we go. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment down below. Tell me how terrible I did. Did I know nothing about cars? Because it's true. Every time I try to do stuff, he put a Summit Racing sticker on my car. Come on.
I'm not gonna tell you if there's any more or not.
Are you serious? Okay, well make sure you tune back in for the Summit Racing sticker scavenger hunt that I apparently have now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe because subscribing helps out a lot. And I just cracked 1,000, which is awesome. Which I don't know when this video is gonna come out, so it may be a little bit from now. But I cracked 1,000, which is a big milestone. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.